Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix unexpected error with the login session on League of Legends game. So if you are also into the same issue and looking for solutions, then go through this video guide. So the first method suggested is to use the official solution suggested by the League of Legends. So what you do is simply open right client and select the game and then click on sign out option. So what you have to do is simply go to the right client. The game is already selected. Simply click on here on your profile icon and then simply click on a sign out option. After you sign out from here, you need to go to the task manager and from here see if right client games or any is running. Simply select it and click on end task option. After this, go to the right client and then try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. If not, go to the second solution. The next solution is to check server status. So you should also check the right games client if there is any announcement for the server downtime. If it's so, then simply wait for some time and then try to launch the game and see if the error is resolved. The next solution is to restart your PC or router. So for simply click on start icon over here, then click on power and then click on restart option. This will restart your PC. Also you can restart your router once and then check if the error is resolved. If not, the next solution suggested is to check network settings. For that, simply go to settings, then click on network and internet. If you are using Wi-Fi, simply click on Wi-Fi, then click on hardware properties. After that, click on more adapter options over here. Here you need to click on internet protocol version, select it and then click on properties. Here make sure obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically is selected and then click on OK and close it. And after that, try to launch the game and see if the error is resolved now. If not, the next solution suggested is to disable VPN. If you are using VPN while playing League of Legends game, so simply disable it for some time and then try to log in into the game and then check if you can play it. Most of the time the VPN stops the game from playing, so it's suggested to disable it temporarily and then try to log into the game and see if the error is fixed. The next solution suggested is to update network drivers. For that, you simply go to the search option, search for device manager over here, go below and expand network adapters option over here. Now select it and then click on update driver option and after that click on search automatically for drivers. This will search for the best available drivers on your system and install it. After doing this, now check if the error is fixed. If not, the last option suggested is to reinstall League of Legends game. For that, remove the game from control panel. So search over here, go to the control panel, click on programs, then click on uninstall a program and from here simply select the game and right click on it and then click on uninstall option. Or else you can also go to the settings over here, go to the apps, click on installed apps and then search for the game over here. Simply click on the three dot icon and then click on uninstall option. After this, restart your PC once and then launch the right client game on your PC, log into it and then try to launch the game, install it and see if you can play the game without any further problem. So all these are the best solutions suggested to fix unexpected error with the login session while playing League of Legends game on PC. So that's all for now. Thank you.